When you sign up for M1 Finance, you'll be prompted to create your first pie. M1 Finance lists popular stocks, ETFs, and expert pies for you to browse. But there's also a search bar at the top of the page if you're looking for a specific stock or fund. To add a stock, fund, or expert pie, select the small plus sign. You'll need to select at least 3 of these pie slices to move forward. Next, you'll be asked to indicate how you'd like each slice to be weighted. By default, M1 Finance weighs each slice equally, but you can change this by entering a unique value for each as you see fit. And there you have it, your first M1 Finance pie. From here, all you really need to do is complete the account setup process and fund your account. You're also free to make as many pies as you see fit once your account is up and running. If you come up with a secondary pie that you'd like to actually invest in, you can combine it with your primary M1 pie as a new slice and give it a target weight as per your investment strategy. To learn more about M1 Finance, you can check out our full review linked in the description box. And if you liked this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll never miss a new Finder video. Thanks for watching.